Jai Hind children, welcome in your maths live class. In today's class we will do practicals, your half yearly practicals. Okay children, so there are 3 practicals and in this class we will complete 2 and 1 we will do in the next. Okay, so for that what you have to do, you have to pick some materials. So let's first of all see what is the practical for you. For that let's see the PDF. See the PDF children. This one, activity number 1, to present the product of decimal numbers. To represent, what you have to represent? The product of decimal numbers. Now we will take 2 decimal children, 2 decimal numbers. We will take 2 decimal numbers. One will be 0.3 and another will be 0.7, and we can multiply as we used to do in maths. Okay, you know that if you multiply 0.3 with 0.7, what you will get. But through practical, how we can find it? Okay, so for this what we have to do, we have to take some materials which is needed for this, and then we will start children. For the same, what you have to do children, you have to pick some either sketch pens or pencil colors or crayons. Okay, use some crayons for that. Then you have to take a ruler. Then you need a scissor children. For that you need a scissor, as well as you need a white sheet of paper. If you have purchased the practical maths lab manual, you can use that maths lab manual notebook for doing your practical. See the last pages, some pictures, some pages were there, blank pages, maybe colored or blank. So I have taken a white sheet of paper. You need this white sheet of paper where you have to do your practical. Okay, now see the practical first and then we will do it children. See, material required is square paper. If you don't have square paper, then we need a white sheet of paper and then we will make some squares on it. We need pencil, we need sketch pens with red and yellow color or maybe other color according to your availability. Then see this is the objective, to represent the following product of decimal numbers on a squared paper by drawing the horizontal and vertical lines and shading it. We have A and B part, but we will do only A part children. Okay, in your maths lab manual notebook you will write down this. No need to have a separate maths practical file for this. If you have not purchased, then you have to prepare a maths practical file, because in that maths practical file children, what we have to do, we will complete this 3 activity of half yearly as well as the last one, the annual syllabus. So compiled practical notebook is needed at the time of annual examination. So for that you have to prepare it children, you have to write it. What you have to write, I will send you, and if you are having book you can see that you have to write the objective. Then you have to write the material required. Sequence also I will send it children, what you have to write. पहले आपको क्या लिखना है, फिर क्या लिखना है, the sequence I will provide to you. And then we will use only A part. There are 2 parts. They are multiplying 0.3 with 0.7 as well as 0.4 with 0.8. But we will take only first one, 0.3 into 0.7. Now for the next one, see this is the procedure. We will take a square paper and then we will shade 0.3. 0.3 means beta 3 by 10. 0.3 means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means if you will take the whole vertical line as one, you can see there are 10 vertical lines. Can you see it? There are 10 vertical lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 vertical lines are there. And 0.3 means what? 3 by 10 means out of 10 you have to take 3. So out of 10 vertical lines, what your ma'am is taking? Your ma'am is taking 3 vertical lines and shade it with a color. They have chosen red color. You can choose your own color. Okay, different color. So just color 3 vertical lines, and then the next part is what we have to take. We have to take 0.7. So now for that, see, 0.7 they have used the yellow color for 0.7, and now they have colored the horizontal lines, 7 horizontal lines. Total 10 horizontal lines are there. You are having 7, 0.7. 0.7 means out of 10, 7 you have to do. So they have shaded 7 horizontal lines, and now you can see the mixture of colors. You can see some at a part there are mixture of colors. This mixture of color represent the multiplication. ये आपका multiplication बता रहा है बेटा, ठीक है? So there are total, if you will count the square paper, there are total 21 shaded, double shaded boxes, squared. Okay, there are 21 double shaded squares, and that is your answer. So now what you have to do? First, what you have to write, I will send you. Okay, through PDF or through your book you can write it. You have to write objective. You have to write objective. It is given in the book. Then material required. Then procedure. Then after that, what is the observation? What you have observed while doing that? What you have observed? आपने क्या देखा? And at last conclusion. Only these points you have to write. What you have to draw, what you have to paste, that I am going to tell you. See, you will take a white sheet of paper, and in this you will draw the square paper. Okay, if you are having square paper, you can use it. Otherwise, draw this, children. What is this? This is 10 by 10 centimeter square. Okay, 10 centimeter from horizontal and 10 centimeter from vertical. And just what you have to do? You have to partition it into 10 parts. If it is 10 centimeter length, then partition it from 1 centimeter. पूरा यहाँ से यहाँ तक 10 centimeter लीजिए horizontal line, and vertical line भी 10 centimeter लीजिए. तो this is a square. This is a square of what? 10 centimeter. 10 by 10 centimeter का, ठीक है? ये square है बेटा, बनाया गया है 10 centimeter का. अब 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter ऐसे करते करते आपके पास how many centimeters will be there? 10. Okay, now draw the squares. So total 100. You will get total 100 squares in this. कैसे बेटा? 10 from vertical, horizontal. This is horizontal one, and 10 from vertical. And now in the next part, this you will paste as it is. Itna portion. This, the blank one you will paste as it is. You will write 0.3 into 0.7. Then in the second one, same square box you are having. You have to draw, and in this second one, the second one, we will do our activity. How we will do? I am going to tell you. First, there is 0.3. 0.3. So I have not done. I will do it in front of you, children. So you will use this 0.3. 0.3 means 3 by 10. 3 by 10, na? And 3 by 10 means, children, 3 by 10 means out of 10 vertical lines or take horizontal. It is your choice. Totally it is your choice. Either take vertical or take horizontal. I am taking vertical. 0.3 means 3 by 10. 3 by 10 means 10 parts में से 3 parts you have to take. So how many columns are there? Vertical lines are there? 10. So I will take 3. 10 में से ये 10 है पूरे. 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. Total 10 है. So I will color 3 whole column. पूरा column में color करूँगी बेटा. Total. And then for 0.7 we will color the horizontal lines. So I am going to color it. And if you are having, you can also do something. I am going to color it. Use a scale to color it, and then color this, children. Okay. So it will take some time. And then the whole column, 3 columns you have to color by using a color. I am using red color, children. I am using red color. Okay. See this. See, I have colored 3 vertical lines. Total 3 vertical lines I have colored. Out of 10 vertical lines, आपके पास 10 vertical lines हैं. 0.3 का मतलब होता है 3/10. So out of 10 I have colored 3. ठीक है? Because we are using the practical method to solve this multiplication. Now for 0.7, 0.7, I will use the horizontal line. Horizontal line from here to here, from left to right, left to right, left to right. ये आपके rows होते हैं. ठीक है? These are horizontal lines, rows. So 0.7 means 7/10. And 7/10 का मतलब आपको क्या लेना है? 10 में से 7 parts लेने हैं. Which parts? The horizontal one. The horizontal one. So now I will take the different color to color the horizontal. और कहाँ से color करोगे बेटा? Color it from the top. Top का first ये horizontal line first, then second, then third ऐसे. ठीक है? So now I am going to color it. It will take some time. 1, 2, 3 will be left and the rest will be colored. The whole. You will color the whole, children. Okay. You will not leave the red part. You have to color the whole row. पूरा रो आपको कलर करना है. Whether there is a red color or not. आपके पास वहाँ पे red color हो भी चुका है. Then also you will color it. So it will take hardly 30 seconds to complete my practical. Okay, I am using the laptop, that's why I am unable to show it, but I know you will understand it. See this, see this. I have colored it with green color. How many? 7 parts. Total 10 horizontal lines are there, and then I have colored 7 because we have to use 0.7. Now total beta. Now you can see there is a double shaded one. There is double shaded part. This one. This is the double shaded part where you will have red color as well as green color. Both the colors were there. Okay, because it is overlapping. Now this is the part which is your answer, your product answer. दोनों को जब multiply करेंगे. See, if you will count this 3, 3, 6, then 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, then 3, 3, total 7 times 3 is there. है ना? So total 21 shaded portion. 21 आपके double shaded portion है. ठीक है? That is the answer. And 21 is not the right one. Okay, 21 out of 100. 21 out of 100 part. This is 100 part. ये पूरा part अगर आप लोगे तो 21 छोटे छोटे squares जो हैं, the small squares, 21 squares are double shaded. And how many square parts are there? 100. So 100 में से अगर 21 आप लोगे तो 21/100 हो गया. 21/100 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 0.21. कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 0.21. 0.21 का मतलब क्या हुआ बेटा? इन फ्रैक्शन. If you will read it, it is 21/100. 2 डेसिमल प्लेस है ना, तो 100th. So 21/100. So ये 21 टोटल 100 स्क्वायर्स में से 21 स्क्वायर्स डबल शेडेड आए. डबल शेडेड मतलब आपने जब 3 और 7 पार्ट्स को आपने क्या किया? You have shaded it, then you will get this. ठीक है? So this is the way you will write, you will draw it. पहले आप इसको पेस्ट करेंगे. You will paste this blank one और उसमें लिखेंगे 0.3 and 0.7. This you have to paste, not you have to draw. You have to paste. ऐसी एक पेज लीजिए बेटा. Take a page from the back of your book. ये not book, no, your lab manual book, and then draw this. Draw 2 identical squares 10/10 centimeter का, and then inside that you have to draw 1 centimeter squares. Okay, 1 centimeter 1 centimeter. 10 ऊपर टॉप पे मिलेगा आपको horizontal line and 10 for vertical line. And now you will do your practical here. Okay, so in this way you can do this practical. Now let's move to the next one. See the PDF first. See this is the observation. There are 21 double shaded squares. There are 21 double shaded squares. See this. The result is the square paper contain 100 squares. Yes, the square paper, this is square paper contains 100 squares. And where each represent 0.1, 0.1, 0.01, not 0.1, 0.01. this one square represent this. So there are 21 such squares which are double shaded. So if you will multiply, you will get 0.21. So the answer is 0.3 into 0.7. The answer is 0.21. This is your first practical. I think it is clear to you. We will have 100 squares. In that we will do the activity base by 0.3 into 0.7. ठीक है, 0.3 के लिए हमने क्या किया? What we have done? We have colored vertical 3 vertical lines out of 10. We have colored 3 vertical lines. 3 vertical lines. And for 0.7, what we have done? We have colored the 7 horizontal lines. ठीक है, 7 horizontal rows कहेंगे. Lines तो क्या हैं? ये rows हैं. These are rows. So 7 rows हमने कलर कर दिया. 10 में से 7 यानी 0.7 हो गया. So जो double shaded होगा, the double shaded one, this one is your answer. Is the product of 0.3 and 0.7, and there are 21 such double shaded squares. Double shaded color का जो square है कितने हैं बेटा? 21. और total squares कितने हैं? Total squares अगर आप count करोगे तो 100. 10 vertical, 10 horizontal, आपके हो गए 100. So out of 100 there are 21 double shaded square. So it is your answer. Okay. Now let's move to the next part. See the next question, next activity. To verify vertically opposite angles are equal when two lines intersect. To verify vertically opposite angles when two lines intersect. We know na? We know this. If there are two lines, if there are two lines which intersect with each other, one is this and another is this, there are two lines. Okay, so vertically opposite angle, these two are equal. This we have learned that this is the property of this intersecting line, that if they will intersect, 4 angles will be formed and vertically opposite angles are equal. These two are equal. This will be equal to each other and this will be equal to each other in this way. But how we will prove it through practical? हम practical से कैसे इसको prove करेंगे बेटा? How we will prove it through practical? So for that we need some paper. ठीक है, आप पेपर लेंगे बेटा. See, you will have a paper and just fold it. उसको क्या करिए? Fold कीजिए. Take a paper and fold it. Now draw two lines, intersecting lines. 2 intersecting lines you will draw, and it will intersect at a point. Yes, I have taken L and M. मेरे पास 2 लाइन है L और M और ये intersect कर रहा है यहाँ पे O point पे. Now finally we will get how many angles? We will get 4 angles. How many angles? 4 angles. Same impression का आपको एक और बनाना है ये. ठीक है, same impression का. When you will draw this ना, when you will draw this, the impression will fall on the next part. जो आपने fold किया paper, so either if you are having a tracing paper, that will be good. Otherwise, when you will fold the paper and when you will draw this line, the impression will fall just back. उसके just पीछे आपका बन जाएगा impression. And see this one. ये impression बन गया and just draw those lines. Same lines आपकी draw होंगी बेटा जो आपने first paper पे किया था, and the same angles will be formed. Okay, same. I am having the replica. Now why I am having the replica? Because one diagram, this one we will paste it as it is. ये हम ऐसे ही paste कर देंगे. This we will paste it in our copy in this way. ठीक है? And the second one, the second one we will take out. We will take out the second one. One we will paste. ठीक है? One we will paste, and for the second one we will take the cutouts of the angle. हम इस angles के cutouts निकालेंगे and then we will paste it in the another angle. एक angle का cutout निकालेंगे. देखिए मैम कैसे कर रही हैं. You will use one and then angle लीजिए बेटा आप. ठीक है, take one angle. बहुत ही आराम से, ठीक है. जस्ट काइंडली डू दिस. So now I am having one angle. See, इस पूरे में से मैम ने क्या किया, मैम हैज टेकन आउट वन एंगल. See this, वन एंगल. और ये एंगल यहाँ पे था बेटा, दिस एंगल वॉज हेयर, ठीक है. सो ये इसके वर्टिकली अपोजिट के जस्ट आप इसको प्लेस करोगे ना तो ये प्लेस्ड हो जाएगा. सी, एंगल 3 विल बी जस्ट इक्वल टू एंगल 1. इट विल ओवरलैप. सी दिस, ये देखो, आपको एंगल दूसरा एंगल नहीं दिखेगा. और कैसे पेस्ट करना है, यहाँ पे एकदम यहाँ पे जहाँ पे एंगल्स ड्रॉ किए ना मैम ने बस वहीं पे आपको पेस्ट कर देना ऐसे. और ये पोर्शन ऐसे ही रहेगा, ठीक है. बस ऐसे जैसे मैम ने रखा है. बस यहाँ पे ये पॉइंट पे, यहाँ पे आप ग्लू लगाइए इस पॉइंट पे और इसको इसके ऊपर बस प्लेस कर दीजिए ऐसे. प्लेस इट ऑन दिस एंड देन यू विल सी दिस दैट the vertically opposite angles are equal. Can you see this? Can you see this children? See this? See, angle 1, अब देखो angle 3 मैम ने उसके ऊपर रख दिया. So it's overlapping. Angle 3 जो यहाँ से कट करके निकला था, यहाँ से see, angle 3 was here ना, earlier angle 3 was here. When you will cut this and place it on angle 1, जब आप angle 1 पे रखेंगे तो it will exactly ओवरलैप ऑन ईच अदर. सो प्लेस कैसे करोगे, आप इसको रखोगे ऐसे, ठीक है. फर्स्ट डायग्राम, दिस डायग्राम, फर्स्ट डायग्राम, तो यू विल पेस्ट, ये एज ही पेस्ट हो जाएगा. फॉर द सेकेंड डायग्राम आप एक एंगल 3 निकालोगे बेटा. यू विल टेक आउट एंगल 3 एंड पेस्ट द, जस्ट अप्लाई द ग्लू हेयर. पॉइंटर्स पे ग्लू अप्लाई कीजिए एंड पेस्ट इट. व्हेन यू विल पेस्ट इट ना, सी दिस, व्हेन यू विल पेस्ट इट your angle will be pasted in this way. अभी तो मैम ने अपना फिंगर रखा है but you will paste for here. And now you can see angle 1 and angle 3 both are equal. Can you see this? Angle 1 and angle 3, these two are equal. ठीक है. Same you will apply for this. You will cut another angle. एक और एंगल आप कट करोगे. Let me cut this. So in your book you have to show that vertically opposite angles are equal. So now we will cut, I am going to cut this. I am going to cut angle 4. Angle 4 मैम आप कट कर रही हैं, ठीक है. कट करिए, देखिए ऐसे मिला. नाउ इसको थोड़ा अच्छे से और थोड़ा छोटा कर देते हैं, बहुत लॉन्ग हो रहा है. नो नीड टू कट द एजेस एज इट इज होने चाहिए. नाउ सी, दिस इज माई डायग्राम एंड आई विल पेस्ट इट. अब मेरे पास 2 एंगल बची, मैं इसको पहले पेस्ट कर दूंगी. एंड नाउ आई विल पुट दिस एंगल, दिस इज एंगल 4 एंड दिस इज वर्टिकली अपोजिट टू एंगल 2. सो नाउ व्हेन वी विल प्लेस इट ऑन एंगल 2 पे जब आप इसको प्लेस करोगे बेटा, देखो अभी दिखा रहे हैं. प्लेस इट ऑन एंगल 2, एजेस को एजेस के ऊपर रखिए. सी दिस, सी, ये देखो, ये एंगल 2 है पीछे और उसके जस्ट ऊपर एंगल 1 आया है, देख रहे हो, बिकॉज दे आर इक्वल. ये देखो, सी, ये एंगल 2 एंड एंगल 4 इज जस्ट कवरिंग दिस. सो आप इसका ये पॉइंट पे यहाँ पे है, ठीक है, ग्लू लगाइए ऐसे. और दूसरा एंगल भी आप लगाएंगे. दूसरा एंगल आपका क्या था बेटा, एंगल 3. सो एंगल 3 यू विल पेस्ट ऑन एंगल 1 ऐसे करके, ठीक है. सो दिस इज योर फाइनल डायग्राम. आपकी जो फाइनल डायग्राम आएगा वो ऐसे ही आएगा. 2 एंगल ऑलरेडी ऐसे, 2 एंगल ऐसे रहेंगे, ठीक है. 2 एंगल्स विल बी ऑन द पेपर. जस्ट पेस्ट इट, इसको पेस्ट कर दीजिए ऐसे. जस्ट पेस्ट इट ऐसे, पेस्ट इट. नाउ टेक एंगल 3 को एंगल 1 पे ऐसे, ठीक है, यहाँ पे ये पेस्ट कीजिए ऐसे. ये पेस्ट हो गया कॉपी में. और टेक एंगल 4 ऑल्सो एंड प्लेस इट ऑन दिस ऐसे. बस पॉइंटर्स पे यहाँ पे vertices पे बस आप होगा, ठीक है. You can take out the extra paper also and you can make the inner angles bigger also. It is your choice. So this is the proof of vertically opposite angle. I am having few more minutes left. So let me show you the third activity also. Let me show you the third activity. So there are 3 activities, children. Now for the third activity, what we are having angle sum property of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. angle sum property of triangle is equal to 180 degree children. So what we will do children, we will draw a triangle. We will draw a triangle. ठीक है, third activity है ये. So we have completed 2 activities. I have seen that the time is still left. So that's why I have chosen the third activity so that we can compile it in 1 period. And then take your time, sit back for 1 hour, do 1 practical, for next day do another practical, and in this way you can complete the 3 activities. Now you have to draw a triangle and paste it. Okay, एक triangle draw कीजिए, उसको paste करिए. Same बेटा, see. आप ऐसे करोगे ना, when you will fold this paper, when you will draw this triangle, the impression will fall on the previous page, and below page. Then you can draw the same congruent triangle. आपको बिल्कुल same triangle चाहिए. या तो आप ऐसा करो, fold this triangle, fold this and cut the triangle. क्या करिए, इसको कट कर दीजिए. ठीक है, I am going to cut it. Fold, draw a triangle, fold the paper and now cut this. Cut the triangle children. So you will get what? You will get 2 identical triangles. आपको 2 identical triangles चाहिए. ठीक है. So see, I am cutting this triangle. The same way you have to do, and you will enjoy doing this children. And always you will remember that why that angle sum property of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. You never ever then you learn it. आपको याद करने की या रटने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. ठीक है, same concept for other polygons also, but right now we are having triangle, so we will use this triangle one. So let me draw. It is taking few minutes. See, 2 triangles हमको मिल गए. One is this and another one is this. Same identical triangles. ठीक है, same triangles now we are having. So now what we will do, first we will name it. हम इसको नाम देंगे बेटा. Angle 1, इसको angle 1 दीजिए, angle 2 and angle 3. Okay. Angle 3. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. इसको नाम दीजिए. Same you will do in this. Angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3. Now we will paste the first triangle as it is. हम first triangle को as it is अपनी फाइल में पेस्ट कर देंगे. ठीक है, when you will open the file, white sheet pages होते हैं ना, तो you will paste it. सब में हम यही कर रहे हैं. In the first one we have pasted the square paper. In the second one we have pasted this one. And the cutouts we have applied for the second one. ये cutouts आपके दूसरे से लगे थे. ठीक है, so one diagram you have to paste, draw and paste. So we are having 2 triangles. For the third activity we are having 2 triangles. तो लीजिए और इसको paste कीजिए. ठीक है, paste it. And now we will color the angles. We will color the angles children by using the sketch pens. So I am going to color it. Color angle 1 with 1 color. ठीक है, angle 1 को first you will color angle 1. So I am going to color it. See, in this way angle 1 is now colored. Okay, same we will color the other 2 angles with a different color. हम दूसरा color लेंगे बेटा. ठीक है, so now I am going to take green color. Angle 2 पे green color कर रही है मैम आपका. You can choose any color. You can choose your color. See, angle 2 is now of green color. And for the third color I will choose red. Angle 3 को मैम आपके red color से कर रही है color. So this we will paste. ठीक है, angle 1, angle 2 and angle 3 having different color we will paste as it is. And now we will take the second one. Second triangle लीजिए बेटा. Take the second triangle and now what we will do? We will cut it. We will cut it. क्या cut करेंगे बेटा? We will cut the angles. we have to show that the sum of these three angles is equal to 180 degree by paper cutting method. तो हम एंगल 1 पहले कट करेंगे, ठीक है. वी विल कट दिस एंगल, एंगल 1. देखो मैम एंगल 1 कट कर रही हैं, ये एंगल 1 कट, ठीक है. दिस इज एंगल 1 कट हो गया. नाउ वी विल कट द अदर 2 एंगल्स. कैसे कट करेंगे, ये बीच में से लीजिए, ठीक है, एंड कट दिस. सी नाउ इट इज सेपरेटेड. सो नाउ वी आर हैविंग 3 एंगल्स. क्या है हमारे पास, 3 एंगल्स. वी आर हैविंग 3 एंगल्स. And then we will draw a line on a sheet of paper. On a sheet of paper we will draw a line. Right now I am showing you here. You will draw a straight line by using the ruler. Okay, by using the ruler draw a straight line. ठीक है बेटा, ऐसे draw a straight line and then pick one angle. See, one angle pick करिए and place it here. एक वर्टेक्स भी ले लेते हैं बेटा. टेक अ वर्टेक्स O, टेक अ वर्टेक्स O, ऐसे टेक अ वर्टेक्स O एंड नाउ पिक वन एंगल, द एंगल विच यू हैव कट फ्रॉम द ट्राइंगल एंड प्लेस इट. सी दिस, ऐसे प्लेस करना है. प्लेस हो गया, इज इट क्लियर? एंगल 1 इज नाउ हियर. नाउ पिक एंगल 2. अब एंगल 2 हम लेंगे. एंगल 2 को ग्रीन कलर से किया था ना मैम ने. सी एंगल 2 एंड प्लेस इट साइड बाय साइड. ये जो एजेस है ना, एजेस को साइड बाय साइड ऐसे, ये यहाँ पे ऐसे पेस्ट कीजिए. सो 2 एंगल्स आर नाउ पेस्टेड. एंड नाउ पिक द थर्ड एंगल विच यू हैव कट फ्रॉम द ट्राइंगल एंड प्लेस इट ऐसे. कैन यू सी दिस? कैन यू सी समथिंग? इट इज कवरिंग द होल एंगल. एंगल 1 यहाँ से शुरू हुआ, फिर एंगल 2 और फिर एंगल 3. टोटल 180 डिग्री को कवर कर दिया इसने. कैन यू सी दिस चिल्ड्रन? दिस वन. 3 एंगल्स आर देयर एंड इट इज नाउ मेकिंग व्हाट, a straight line. यहाँ से यहाँ तक ये पूरा एंगल 1 इतना पोर्शन है, एंगल 2 का पोर्शन ये है, एंगल 3 का पोर्शन ये है. एंड द सम ऑफ ऑल 3 एंगल्स इज व्हाट? इट इज मेकिंग दिस. इट इज मेकिंग दिस वन. ये बना रहा है. व्हाट इज दिस? दिस इज 180 डिग्री. If you will take the 3 angles, then it is making, paste it on a line by using the adjacent sides. See, I am unable to do it. If I am having piece of paper na, then I can easily do it. See this, ये पूरा एक straight line बना रहा है बेटा, पूरा एक. The sum of the 3 angles is now making a straight line. Okay, पूरा एक 180 डिग्री के उस पर आ रहा है, on one side. On one side of the line it is covering the whole angle. So what is this? This is 180 degree. Straight line की का angles कितना होता है? 180 degree होता है. This is the angle sum property of triangle. What we have done? We were having a triangle. हमारे पास एक triangle था, उसको हमने color किया angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 से. ठीक है, angle 1 ये है, angle 1 को color किया था हमने. ठीक है, ऐसे. See? और फिर एंगल 1 को कलर करने के बाद कट कर दिया ऐसे दूसरे ट्राइंगल से. ऐसे ही एंगल 2, ठीक है, एंगल 2 को कलर करेंगे बेटा. दिस वन एंगल 2, ये एंगल 2 है, ये देखो सेम है, और उसको कट करेंगे. फिर एंगल 3 कट करेंगे एंड देन वी विल प्लेस इट साइड बाय साइड. ऑल द 3 एंगल्स व्हेन यू विल कंबाइन इट विल मेक 180 डिग्री. ये पूरा 180 डिग्री बनाएगा, वो पूरे स्ट्रेट लाइंस पर कवर हो जाएगा एक साइड में. सो this is the angle sum property of triangle. So in this way what you have to do, I will send you the PDF. Okay, you can see it in half yearly syllabus, and no, you can see it in with different name. In the app you can see it with the half yearly practical name. Half yearly practical name का एक chapter होगा बेटा, उस पे आप क्लिक करोगे then you will find this video also, and you will find the PDF also. Okay, this video which I have prepared for you. If you are not having book, no need to worry. See this, what are the material required, these things you have to write. Okay, see everything you need, and then your practical, this objective you have to write. After objective, material required, sequence I will write children, no need to worry. Then this is the procedure, and then step 1, step 2. No need to draw these diagram children. Diagram is the one which we have done the practical. This is observation and result. So in this way you can do the practical. Okay, the theory part you will write it from the book. Theory part, your objective, your aim, your objective, then material required, then after that procedure, then observation and conclusion. Only these things you have to write from the book. See the book and write it from there. And then for practical you have to do, for the diagrams, what you have to do for the diagrams, you will use these cutouts. Just say second activity hai beta. For second activity, what will be the diagrams? This. First you will paste it as it is, and for the second one the cutouts. ये आप एक ये रखेंगे ऐसे, ठीक है, ये आप पेस्ट करेंगे और एंगल 1 के ऊपर एंगल 3 and angle 2 will be placed with angle 4. So for the first one also, for third one also, third में 2 triangle है, एक triangle आप as it is paste करेंगे, as it is, color it, color the angles and the another cutouts where you will place, you will draw a line and paste it side by side on one side of the line. So वो 180 degree बनाएगा. So in this way we can conclude our half yearly practical. Okay. Till then children, take care.